Hello Viper families, this is Sean Stressley, the instructional designer, and we're going to make a video here to show you where to park for our open house. As you can see coming down Courthouse, we just went through the roundabout and Gates Elementary is on our left. Parking may be an issue, so we wanted to create this video to help you find a parking spot. If you are coming after 4:30, our event is from 4 to 6, after 4:30, you're welcome to come into the Gates Elementary bus loop. If it's before then, or if the loop is filled up, then come down here to the CTC Courthouse parking lot. And we're going to basically take the road right next to our facility. And there's some parking back here. There's a parking lot off to the left here. There may be available spots there, or off to the side here. And we're going to proceed down here if there's no parking available. You can see our buildings coming up here on the left. And that's where you'll enter into our open house. And then we have parking back here. There are spots here and over here and back here. You're welcome to park in any open spots. If this lot is full, we're going to show you another option that will surely have a lot of open spaces. You're going to turn around and just proceed right back down to Courthouse Road, and this time you're going to take a left. When you get to Courthouse Road, we're going to go look for parking at L.C. Byrd High School. So once you take a left, you're just going to proceed down Courthouse Road. And there may be parking available over here in this lot. If there's nothing available in this lot, you'll notice there's a lot here. And this ultimately leads into the parking lot for L.C. Byrd High School down here. And you should have no problem finding a spot here. And of course you have to walk back across the CTC Courthouse grounds to our facility. Thanks for listening.